Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to deploy a Hello World Docker container in Kubernetes on Docker for Mac in 5 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna be that quick. So let's start. So first thing first, you need to have a Docker for Mac installed on your computer, on your Mac. So you can go to Preferences, and then you reach to the settings. Then you need to enable Kubernetes, so we can deploy all the containers and all the good stuff on Kubernetes. So after you have that, then you see the Kubernetes running in the bottom of the screen on the left. Okay, after that, you need to go to you need to install kubectl on your desktop machine. Because I have Mac, I've installed the kubectl on the Mac OS. You can install it with the curl command, or you can go for the brew install kubectl, which is much easier, in my opinion. And so after you install the kubectl, which is the Kubernetes CLI, you can go for kubectl version, and then you can see which version you have, etc., etc. So let's create a very simple deployment YAML file for Kubernetes. Let's call it app YAML. Great. I have installed a package that's called Cloud Code of Google, which helps you to write some YAMLs, and it's very fast. I'll show you an example. I'll speak about it in my next videos. So you can do control space. It depends on your machine. It should show me the suggestions for some reason. I don't know. Let's see what. Let's reload the window. Let's see if now it's helped me. No suggestions. Oh, okay. So let's create a deployment. Let's call it Hello World. Yeah, this is great. And you can see how it helps me to do it with multi-writing. Now I need the image. So let's take the image from Docker Hub. I search for Hello World in Docker Hub. Let's see it. Hello World. Docker Hub. And then I found a very simple application to install a very simple image of Hello World. So this is the image that I need. But pay attention that it have an environment variable, which is the listen port. By default, it's 80. We will change it just to explain how it works. So you can put here the image. You can see that the container port here, it's in 8080. Let's put it on 3000 and we handle it in one sec. So let's create a service. Service is like a load balancer for the deployment. So let's do the trick that we've done earlier with the cloud code. Cool. Let's just sec. Okay. So let's call it, whoops. Okay, Hello World. Okay, so it will listen and port 3000, and it will redirect it to the pod in the port we told it before. So let's put it on 3000, and instead let's put this port on 4444. I don't know, just for this demo. But the type should be not cluster IP. It should be a load balancer, so it's open to the local host. I will explain it in my next videos. Now, after we have all the kubectl and all of these good things, let's run kubectl apply -f, which will tell Kubernetes to deploy the YAML file, which will be app YAML, and that's it. It would say it created. Now we can do the kubectl get deployments, and we can see that we have one deployment. We can see the pods. Let's see the pods. Cool, which is running. Let's go to the browser and put localhost 4444. Shit, it's not working. Why is that? Load balancer. What is that it's not working? Let's see. Oh, we didn't pass the environment variable. Okay, let's fix it for a sec. And listen port. I think that's the name that it should be. And then value, let's put it by 3000, as we told you just here. Let's see if it's called listen port. I don't remember. Let's see. Yep. So let's deploy it again. You see that now it's configured and localhost, bam. That's it. Like it took us like 4 minutes, I don't know. See you in the next videos, guys.